BDO held their year-end media party this year dito sa Baguio ay nakakatuwa na isa ako sa mga napiling maki-join sa kanilang event with some of the vloggers here and other media personalities. Buti na lang din at maaga akong nakarating dito sa kanilang venue sa Ion Hotel Legarda Road kahit na medyo traffic. Nag-register muna kami then naghanap ng mauupuan while waiting sa iba ay nag-interview portion muna at nagkwentuhan with our very energetic and jolly host Sir Paolo. Then nag-dinner muna kami bago ang pag-games. We really enjoyed the games dahil go na go ang lahat at competitive din talaga para sa premyo at marami din talaga kaming natutunan pa about BDO. May paraffle din sila kaya na-enjoy talaga ng lahat. Super fun lang ng event and good vibes lang talaga kaya maraming salamat po BDO for this experience. Maray na aldaw!
BDO, make it simple to last the whole night long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for everyone else to hear. Just be BDO.